I'm going to say something that sounds completely backwards. If your goal is to make more money trading, the first thing you should do is trade smaller. I know that sounds crazy. Most new traders think bigger positions means bigger profits. But after coaching and teaching hundreds of traders, I've learned something. The traders who survive always start small. The traders who try to go big and get rich quick, they all disappear within a few months. By the end of this video, you'll understand why trading smaller is actually the fastest path to becoming consistently profitable. Hey everyone, I'm Kevin Lloyd from Market Pro Trading. If you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, not just getting lucky, this video could save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Because one decision determines whether you stay in this game long enough to actually become good at trading. When most people open a trading account, they immediately start thinking about the money. If I can make $500 a day, what if I can make $1,000 a day? I could quit my job. But that's the wrong goal. Your first goal isn't making money. Your first goal is surviving long enough to learn how to trade. Think about it. Would you expect someone who's taken 3 golf lessons to compete in a PGA tournament? Would you hand the keys to a race car to someone who just got their driver's license? Of course not. Yet, every day, new traders sit down for the first time and risk hundreds or even thousands of dollars before they've proven they even have an edge. That's not trading, that's gambling. And in about a minute, I'm going to show you the one mind shift that completely changed how I traded. And it's probably the direct opposite of what you've been told. Entries and exits aren't the only way to control your risk. Let me explain. Your position share size can be way too large. That way, every penny of movement feels enormous. Every pullback against you feels like a disaster. And every red candle makes your heart race. Instead of following your plan, you're watching your P&L. Now you're cutting winners too early, moving stop losses, averaging down, not because your strategy is bad, but because your emotions are now making the decisions. The market hasn't changed, you have. And here's the crazy part. Most traders blame their strategy. The real problem is they were simply trading too big, too many shares. Stay with me because the next idea is what separates professional traders from gamblers, and almost nobody talks about it. The best traders think like professional athletes. When an NBA player practices, they practice the fundamentals over and over until they're automatic. Trading is exactly the same. Small position sizes allow you to focus on one thing, executing your process perfectly. Not your profits, because here's the truth. You become profitable by becoming really good at making consistently good decisions. Money is simply the byproduct. Let's say you're risking only $10 per trade. Will you get rich? No. But you'll sleep better at night. You'll follow your rules. You'll review your trades honestly. Now compare that to someone risking $500 per trade who blows up their account after 10 bad decisions. Who do you think becomes consistently profitable first? I want you to think differently. For the next 30 trading days, forget about the money. Your mission is simple: becoming the most disciplined trader you know. Execute your setup, respect your stop, follow your plan, and review every trade. If you can do that consistently with small size, increasing your size later becomes easy because discipline scales and bad habits can too, and that's not a good thing. There's one lesson I hope you remember from today's video. It's this: trading smaller isn't a sign of fear, it's a sign of professionalism. Every successful trader started at the beginning. The difference is that the ones who made it didn't try to win the game on day one. They focused on learning, perfecting a process to get better over time, protecting their capital, building confidence. That's exactly what we teach here at Market Pro Trading. Our goal isn't to help you chase the next hot stock or promise overnight success. Our goal is to help you build the skills, habits, and trading playbook that can keep you profitable for years, not just one lucky trade. So if you're ready to stop gambling and start trading with a real process, check out marketprotrading.com. And if you'd like help building your own trading playbook step by step, give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to help. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more free trading education every week. Thanks for watching, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.